Good morning student. We Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School and Junior College have initiated this e-learning platform. Through this video, we will start our biology subject. These are the content of biology subject. There are the 15 chapters. Today we will start our syllabus. Chapter number 1, reproduction in lower and higher plant. First one is reproduction. Reproduction is the production of young one like parent. Reproduction is a process as it leads to continuous of species. Each organism has its own particular method of reproduction. Plant reproduction is the production of new offspring in plant which can be accomplished by sexual or asexual reproduction. It means that sexual reproduction produces offspring by the fusion of gamete and asexual reproduction produces a new individual without the fusion of gamete. In sexual reproduction, the fusion of gamete, offspring by the fusion of gamete, and in asexual Next point is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction does not involve fusion of two compatible gamete or a sex cell. Asexual reproduction from a single cell or from a multicellular organism inherit the gene of the parent. Morphologically and genetically identical individuals are called the clone. Organisms choose to reproduce asexual reproduction in by different way. There are three different ways: fragmentation, budding and spore formation. First one we will see the fragmentation. Fragmentation in a multicellular organism is a form of asexual reproduction in which an organism is split into fragments. Fragmentation, also known as a splitting, as a method of reproduction, is seen in many organisms such as a bacteria and fungi. So, fragmentation is also known as a splitting. So, this is the parent of planaria, and this fragment of planaria, it means that its parent of planaria is splitting into the three parts, and there is the daughter of planaria. Example. Next point is budding. It is the most common method of asexual reproduction in unicellular yeast. The small bulb-like projection coming out from the yeast cell, this called is the bud. The small bulb-like projection coming out from yeast cell is called the bud. Budding is type of the asexual reproduction in which new organism develop from an outgrowth or bud. So from this figure, this is the budding yeast, means that the mother cell. We are also called that the mother cell, and this one is the chain of bud. Next is spore formation. In Chlamydomonas, asexual reproduction occurs by flagellated motile zoospore. Flagellated means a flagellate is a cell or organism with one or more whip-like appendages called the flagella. Spore formation is a method in asexual reproduction. It generally happen in non-flowering plant such as a bacteria, fungi. Spore are the microscopic and round shape. So from this figure there is the parent cell, male or female, and these are the zoospore. These are the spore. In that figure there are the spore formation. Other method of asexual reproduction include binary fission in amoeba, conidia formation in penicillium, and gemmules. So next point is vegetative reproduction. Plant reproduce asexually through their vegetative part. There are also few methods which would not occur naturally in plant. There are few methods which would not naturally in plant. Agriculture and horticulture exploit vegetative reproduction. Artificial methods are used to propagate desired variety according to human requirement. There are various methods are as follows. First one, cutting, grafting and tissue culture. So first one we will see cutting. The small piece of any vegetative part like stem, root, leaf of a plant, one or more bud is used for propagation. A plant section originating from the stem, leaf, root of developing into new plant. The cutting is usually placed in an warm and moist sand. So this is the figure of cutting. We will see that how to cut here. This is the one more plant, one more stem, and this is the second one stem, other plant. Stem cutting is in rows. Leaf cutting is sansevieria. Next point is grafting. Here part of two plants are joined in a such way that they grows as a one plant. Part of stem containing more than one bud is joined onto the root plant is called stalk, is called grafting. Part of stem containing more than one bud, here is bud and here is also bud, is joined onto the root plant is called the stalk and is called also grafting. Example of apple, rose. We are seen like this from figure. And last point is tissue culture, which a small amount of plant tissue is carefully grown to give many plant. So like this we are use this method, tissue culture. This method is usually in biotechnology.